Next topic is optical considerations in refractive surgery. All these definitions are very important. Angle kappa you have already read in detail in unit 2 or 3, I think. Read this definition. Oblate, oblate, very important, very important. Introduction is not important. You can leave it. Corneal shape, and this topic is important. Okay, important. Quick read only. Remember that what will be the meniscus in case of myopia and hyperopia. Okay, myopia and hyperopia meniscus. In myopia, more tissue removed centrally. In myopia, more tissue is removed centrally. More tissue removed centrally. In hyperopia, no tissue removed centrally. Centrally, okay. Please remember this. Angle kappa you have already read in detail in second and third unit. Please remember that. From there, you can also give a read here. Pupil size, only give a quick read. Are you getting enough? Focus on these two or three lines here. Quick read. Positive defocus, negative defocus. Very important, okay? Defocus. This is important about the spherical aberration. Here, everything. Aberration is important. Point. Just confusion is not important. And that was all about today's lecture.